Your reflection in my wine glass.
Broken alone, I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost.
Hi queens and king, welcome back to my channel. Welcome guys. Oh, I'm so thankful for all my new subscribers. Yeah. Yes guys, I'm grateful. For those of you that are new to this channel and don't know this face of mine, my name is Priscilla, and this channel is going to focus on fashion, nursing, sometimes beauty, lifestyle, and family, and every other thing in between. So if these are your interests, don't forget to keep watching, like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, subscribe and hit that notification button. What are you waiting for? Hit it so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. As you can see today, I'm here with my natural face. I don't wear makeup much, so yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Guys, I don't wear disclaimer, I don't wear makeup much. I only wear makeup for YouTube videos sometimes when I'm going out, and I just started using makeup. I never used to wear makeup, and when I grew up, I saw people doing it and I saw YouTuber doing it, and I started following the video and learning from on YouTube. So I'm not professional. Don't be harsh on me. I'm trying my best. It's just beginner friendly for those of us that's trying and learning, so you can learn to like me. Simple thing I'm doing. Yeah. So let's just go with that simplicity. So let's get into the video. I will show you the product, cheap, affordable product that you can use. First of all, I'm just brushing off my eyebrow. I don't have much, but yeah, the little I have, brushing it up, and then I'm just applying my eyebrow pencil to draw onto my eyebrow. And I'm just drawing on. I wanted to do this off camera, but I said better just do it on camera to show you the struggle. The struggle is so real. After that, I apply my Elegant concealer in Toffee. Just conceal around my eyebrow, and I just conceal both eyebrow with the Elegant concealer. All this makeup I'm using is the Cosmetic Plus makeup. It's just a cheap brand makeup, still in Australia. So now I'm just going to blend. So I'm blending around my eyebrow. Took the blending brush. Just you can just use any brush, but just blend all that concealer into your eyebrow. And I just try to fix the edges, you know, so it can look this like faded, like a feather look. So I just apply a little bit of concealer. Now I'm gonna put my primer on. So I did moisturize before, so I just added my primer to my face, and just then I put some translucent powder just to seal the makeup in, so you know it can last for a long period of time. And then I apply my foundation from the Cosmetic Plus BYS foundation. And I know guys, my foundation looks so lighter than my color, but don't worry, I'm look like a ghost right now, but everything gonna blend in, and you see the effect like that. It's gonna blend in properly. I'm just trying all this cheap makeup to see if if it can do the same thing. So now I'm gonna conceal around my eyes and my both eyes, and then my nose, and then I'm gonna conceal just around under my nose and my chin and my forehead. So apply concealer there on my forehead, and then after that I after I do all the concealer, I'm gonna try and blend. So I'm just applying some around my lip, and I take the sponge, and I'm just gonna blend. Take long time to blend it in because you don't want flashback. You know, when you take picture, the flashback showing that you can see this, so you have to take your time to blend it. So you see how I go. I blend it really well, and then I put some powder on, the same powder that I used before, my translucent powder, just under my eye to bake it a bit. And all the place that I applied the concealer, I'm just putting it right around under my chin, on my forehead, and under my chin and my forehead. And then I'll let it bake for a while, and then I'll do my eye makeup. And I just start with a darker shade and go in the crease of my eye. Sorry guys, I didn't record the rest of the video. I don't know where. I don't know, the camera wasn't on, something like that, and then I couldn't record the rest of my eyebrows. I'm sorry about that. I think I did the rest off camera, so maybe I'll do an eyebrow makeup one day. So I just, after I done my eyebrow, I just got rid of all the powder what I put it before for my eyebrow. I used the bronzer to get rid of just to get rid of the excess powder from under my chin and my under my eyebrow and on my forehead. It makes it even tone. And then I get a little bit of concealer. I don't do this much, just a little bit. I rub it on the angle brush and just put it around my cheek. Just a little bit, because this, remember, this is natural makeup. We're not going to hide like these Instagram model. So we just blend it in, blend everything into the face. See, my makeup, my foundation is coming through now. And then I will just get some powder, just some translucent powder, and just go over my face. Just do that. Go over my face and everywhere, and just blend it in. And then I'll get my mascara, and I will put some mascara on. I got it from Maybelline, this mascara. And then after I done it, do my mascara, I will do my eyeliner, just a little bit. As I say, it's just simple makeup. So after I do my eyebrow, I just do under my eyebrow, and then I just get my eye glue. It's the white one I'm using from Kiss or whatever. And then I just apply. Use my hand, guys. No time for eye stuff. So put it on. Then I get I'm just leaning, so I'm just using a little bit of shimmer. So I'm just putting some highlighter around my cheek. And I'm just learning this highlighting. So, and then I get my lip gloss that I got from BYS, and in this nude color, and just put it applied. And then my lip liner, just got the dark color, my lip liner pencil in purple. And then I always like to line my lips, just make it look plump and smaller. And then after that, I'm just going to set everything in and then wait for it to dry. And voila, that's the look.
Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand to think about losing your fine ass.
If you want more makeup tutorial and you want me to go into detail step by step on everything, just let me know. More simple makeup. This is a simple, easy beginner's makeup. So Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.